Welcome to my knowledge. In today's video, we will discuss how to model and render a spiral coil in 3D. So let's begin. The first step will be we will go to Helix Command from Draw. Then we will enter the center of the helix, that is 0, 0. Then we will enter the inner radius of the spiral coil, and in this case it will be 25. After this, we will enter the outer radius, that is 70. Press enter. Now we will decide number of turns, so I will just type T, enter. Now number of turns are 6, so I will type 6 and enter. Now it will ask me the height, so I will go to height and will enter 0 as a height. So we will have a 2D spiral. Now to convert this spiral into 3D, I will just copy this from the midpoint or any point and move it over here. Now I will decide the cross sections. I want to make two spirals, one of circular cross section and the other with a rectangular or square cross section. So the rectangle that I want to draw is 5 units wide and 10 units in height. Now I will move this rectangle by clicking on it, selecting the centroid and placing the centroid on this end of the spiral. Now I will make another cross section that is circular, and the radius will be, let's say it is 4, or 4 will be bigger, so let's change the cross section of the circle. Let's enter something 2. I think this is okay. Now next thing will be using sweep command. I will sweep the cross sections over the path. Select this cross section, enter, then select the path, and we'll have the spiral. Again, now let's sweep the second spiral with circular cross section. Select the circle, enter, then the paths, and we have it. So now when we look at it in realistic view and then in isometric view, we have the spirals. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.